All right, y'all. I know many of y'all probably wondering, like, what would happen if I lock my keys in the trunk of the car? So, like I said, you know, you randomly unlock your car. You pop your trunk open, and you end up locking your, say for instance, you lock your car back. And you forget your keys in the trunk. And you close the trunk. Exactly what your car gonna do. It's gonna make that noise. Every time you try to close the trunk, it's gonna flash and it's gonna keep beeping. No matter what you try to do, it's gonna keep doing that. So no, you cannot lock your keys in your trunk. Now, the only other way I can think you locking your keys in the trunk, if that car is completely off. So you'll hear the alarm go off all the time. Until you get your keys out the car. Now, there's been times, let's say for instance, now you can lock them inside, I think. You can lock the muds inside. Let's put it to the test. See, can we lock our keys inside the car? I'm curious. Curious just like y'all are. So we know you can't lock it in the trunk. So let's say we open our car. Excuse the car, it's a little junky. But we lock our car, we forget the key. It's on the seat. You can't lock them in that way. And if you try to do it over and over, now, guess what? Now say for instance you do it this way and hit the lock switch that way and your key's still in the car. Still doing the same thing. So with that being said, let's try one more test. This way. So it's gonna say something. So there's no way you can lock your keys in there. It won't even let you press the button. You're still gonna get that beep, 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 beep noise. Say for instance you do this. Let's lock all the doors. All the passenger door. Excuse the football and stuff on the floor. Do the passenger door. I need to clean my car out. So we just manually locked all doors to the car. Will the keys lock up in the car? Let's see. Nope. It will not lock up as long as them keys in the car. So if you was wondering, that's what will happen if you leave your keys in the car locked. No matter if you manually lock the doors, you lock the doors with the switch, you lock the doors with, if you lock the doors with the key fob, nothing. Car is locked. Keys in the trunk. Boom. And with that, if your battery dead, you SOL. I'm just gonna let you know, you SOL if your battery dead on your key fob. But other than that, peace out, y'all. That's all I want to let y'all know. You can't lock your keys in the car. No matter what you do, how you do it, or anything like that. Peace. All right, y'all. So pretty much, I'm gonna test this out going outside. Let's take the battery out of here. I want to just make sure, see if these keys are locked up in the car. Whoa. See what I do with man. All right, stick it back. Start lifting up a little bit. Oops. All right, so test it out. I forgot to put that in the video. Good thing I thought took the battery out of this, and like I said, I'm gonna keep my key. I got my second set of keys right here just in case. But what I'm gonna do, leave your keys in here. You forget that in there. It's on the seat right there. I need to clean my seat. Locking your door. It's stuck in there. So yeah, if your key fob die, you got your second spare key that's on the bottom. You just hit this little switch flap right there. Pull that over, pull the key out. But if it's stuck in there, you shoot out of luck. But peace out.